So hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today I will tell you about MEXC platform. The platform link is given in a description box, and today I will tell you how to buy cryptocurrencies, how to sell, and how to do withdrawal in MEXC platform. So without wasting any time, let's start the video, and don't skip any part, watch the video till end. So let's start about this platform. So let's start, and when you click on it, then you will enter to Gmail account, enter your password and my invitation code, and after you will register in this. So after login account in MEXC platform, then you will see here the security button and identification and referral, trading fees, withdrawal address, contact and sub account management, IP management and settings. So here you can set your nickname. Then you will see after depositing your total amount in USDT balance. First of all, you need to click here the deposit, and please select the deposit method. If you want to deposit crypto, you can click here. If you want to deposit cash, your country's currency, you can click to the cash button. And if you want to buy the cryptocurrency, then you will click here, I want to select the cryptocurrency deposit. First I will see here is my cryptocurrency deposit. Select the token and copy the wallet address. So read all the information and instruction carefully. So here is the USDT address. Then select the wallet address like TRC20 and Tone coin chain, etc. When you select the USDT tether, then here is the wallet address. Then you will see here, can click to the deposit button. Then after, I will show the deposit and crypto deposit area. Then after that, you can check here is the USDT and deposit address TRX. Then the wallet address has been generated here. Then you can easily deposit. So let's back to our home page. Then I will show you, this is a deposit process. Now it's over. If you can deposit very, so let's, here easily you can see the all the market orders like the hot currencies and BTC, USDT, Ethereum, Max and BTC. So the most hype and the popular coin in these days, Trump USDT. I will show you the Trump USDT chart. You can see here our USA president Trump. Then you will see here is our, let's, you can, here is a new user complete task instantly receive 8,000 USDT rewards. So let's open the chart. I will show you in 15-hour frame chart. So when this coin is launched, our official Trump USDT, the price is only about the 13 USDT. You can see here is the bottom price start with 13 USDT on all exchanges are available, like the most trusted exchange is MEXC. So you can see here in only one day the price is going to 79 USDT. The market price is 38 USDT. If you want to buy and sell, you can click here. Let's suppose the market is continuously showing the uptrend, because on 20th of January USA President Donald Trump is take oath. So let's, I will show you, open the long position. You enter the USDT amount just like I enter the 3,243 USDT and click to the max leverage and 48% of quantity, and isolate cross you can select. I have already explained in my trading video. Then you can click open and click long short position. So it's about the how to trade in this MEXC platform. Let's talk about the events. You can check events, supercar giveaway 8,000, get reward, future day and future leaderboard, and after that future hotspot event calendar. Then I will show you more and future competitions. And let's hear about the futures. Future trading are like the 5 types. You can check here USD M future. You can able to do future trade with USDT, and coin M future. You can trade in this future M coin trade with the help of crypto coins. And the copy trading and the demo trading, I will show you the demo trading account. Then you can check, here is the demo trading area. So you can check in this demo trading beginner tutorial. I don't want to explain this, so let's start. This is the demo trading. When I click here to the amount like 7%, then click to buy long, cannot use less than. So let's click to the 14. So I have already explained the deposit and how to trade in the popular currencies and how to take margins. So when you make profit with the help of this MEXC platform trading, then you need to withdraw your funds. When you click to the wallet option, and then you will see here is the withdrawal and many more options I already explained to you. So let's click to the withdrawal button. Within a few seconds the withdrawal option is here. Withdrawal notification, MEXC is currently processing related business matters, etc, etc, you can read. Then I will show you. Click to the agree and read all the related information to this network. So I have already explained in the beginning of video the deposit process as like a same opposite option, the withdrawal. You can select wallet address and paste your receiving address here and select the network. Just on the most popular BNB smart chain BEP20 wallet address, there is a no network fees in our or cryptocurrency withdrawal and deposit is. So let's paste the wallet address and click to select the wallet chain, smart chain, then enter your amount and your withdrawal will be arrived in your wallet within a few minutes. And if you have any question and any query, you can ask Tuja customer service. Withdrawal on MEXC have not received any other queries, you can ask to customer service. So here are the community on this MEXC exchange, Telegram and Twitter, Facebook, Insta, YouTube and Discord, Coin Market Cap and all other the source of this MEXC platform. So let's all the detail I have explained you very well. So I hope you understand my video very well, and let's make our another video very interesting topic. So take care of yourself and bye friends. Link of this platform is given in the description. So bye friends.